On today's episode of The Lawyer You Know, I'm going to tell you how to smoke weed in Florida. The first step is finding a doctor that can prescribe medical marijuana as a treatment. It's easy to look up online and see if a doctor is in the system with the ability to give you a patient ID number for that medical marijuana. And then it can only be prescribed to treat certain diseases. For example, PTSD, glaucoma, Parkinson's, MS, muscle spasms, chronic muscle spasms, cancer, seizures, very serious ailments. But it also says any ailment or condition that has similar symptoms or severity as those diseases I just listed. So really it's spreading it a little further. You can get into anxiety and chronic pain and any kind of cancer and really try to fit it into that box if a doctor will prescribe it for that reason. Once you get that patient ID number, you can just apply online. It's a $75 fee, and you'll get your medical marijuana card within 10 to 20 days in the mail. And it's as simple as that. Now you can smoke marijuana. But where, when, and how can you smoke marijuana? In your house or on private property where it's okay with the owner of that house or place of business, boom, you can do that. But it's still illegal to smoke marijuana in lots of public places, and recreational marijuana use and smoking marijuana without that medical marijuana card also prohibited. You can't carry it across state lines. You can't fly with it in a plane. A lot of things can come up where it's very illegal, even with that card, to have marijuana or smoke marijuana because state to state, the laws differ, even county to county. But recently, those restrictions and the illegality of marijuana continues to be loosened. In our county here in Pinellas County in Florida, the sheriff came out and said that officers should kind of try to avoid arrests when it comes to oils and creams and gummies that may have traces of marijuana in them because it's just really hard to prove. And it's really hard to prove the content, how much, how you knew it was marijuana in the first place. Did you smell it? Could you just tell that it was by the way that it looks? Which is really hard because a lot of different plants look similar. Some may be illegal, some may not. And he doesn't want to put the officers in that predicament and go through all that rigmarole for a little bit of marijuana that's in some cream or on some gummies that somebody's eaten. So they're actually not prosecuting or arresting for things that are illegal. It's a crazy world. But I think it shows which direction we're going in, and that recreational marijuana use will probably be legal somewhere in our near future. But as of right now, you got to go through these steps. Find a doctor, see if you have a disease that necessitates medical marijuana, get that patient ID, get that medical marijuana card, pay $75 and do an online application, and you're good to go. Hit the subscribe button below if this is the kind of information and content you want from The Lawyer You Know. Like the video so I can know you want this information quick and easy to understand from anybody's perspective.